Zola our president Twitter in tears after star made matric girls' dreams come true. Christmas may be 3 weeks away, but it came early for some matriculants who were surprised by musician Zola 7 with dresses for their matric farewell party. Somaiza, Bonang, Many Dlamini and Fundisways Wayne are just some of the celebs who have launched campaigns in the past to collect clothes for matriculants who can't afford their own dresses for their big night. Zola joined that list, documenting his journey of giving back on his Mohalove reality show Hope with Zola on Tuesday. Fans were in awe at the matric farewell and flooded social media with comments and messages about the festivities. They also praised Zola for doing the most for those who were in need.